Okay folks, time's come to clean up the garden. It's over with for this year. You gotta clean up the tomatoes and the peppers and everything. The cover crop's coming up good. We've got some rye and hairy vetch here. Turn that over there in the spring. So we'll set you up here and y'all can watch us taking down the tomato plants. Alrighty, this here is our cattle panels we made into the arch for the beans. You can see we still got some dried beans on this one here. I just went through and cleaned these ones off. It's pretty simple. You can do it now or later on in the winter, closer to spring. What you're gonna do, you see that stuff just falls. Just go up through there and it just pulls down. And the longer it goes this winter, the more brittle. A lot of it will fall off on its own. But we're just going to go ahead and help a little bit of it out now while Carolyn and Dan's are getting the tomato vines cleared off there off the fence. We'll work on this here for just a little bit and we'll be back. Alright, here's those little green clips we talked about back in the spring we got. And you can see they've held up pretty good. If I can get it back off of there. We've been able to save almost all of them down here in this bucket, so we'll use them again this coming spring. I'll go up here and see if I can find the the bag for them. All right, folks, here's those little green clips, loops. It even says can be used year after year. I'll agree to that. We still, when the tomato plants got a little bit bigger, we had to use some twine the way we had them put up on the side of the cattle panels and the fence. But they did a good job up until they did get real big. We'll definitely be using them again next year.